14 signs he emotionally attracted to you. Most men and women have disparate perceptions of a romantic relationship. While girls are known to be expressive, it is not the same with all men. So, how do you know when a guy is emotionally attached? He may feel so when he experiences affection and closeness with someone to sustain a meaningful relationship. Some guys may convey it to you directly, while some could be quiet but signaling for you to take the cues. So these signs a man is emotionally attracted to you are so important to become aware of and look out for when you're dating or maybe in a new relationship, or even if you've been with a man for a long time. Watch this video to the end and pay attention to the given signs. Let's start. Number 1. He tries to impress you. If he's a little more than you normally would expect, example, he can appear at your door with your favorite chocolate bar, which is then a good sign in your direction. No one does things for no reason. Like most of these signs, if he engages in small gestures, he will try to impress you and explain that he is involved. We try to impress only the people we care about. When a man is emotionally attached, he often puts in a lot of effort. He thinks of your favorite things and sends small gifts and thoughtful messages on your way. You have found a good one. Number 2. He helps make your life easier. He is always looking out for you. He offers to take you home safely at night or carry around your shopping bag to make you more comfortable. He also finds it easier to make life easier for you. Emotional attachment has a different meaning to each person. Some may connect with another person based on how they feel about them. For some, the need to feel satisfied and happy can lead to emotional attachment. Therefore, emotional bonding works best when there is mutual respect and understanding between two people. Thus, these signs will help you find clues about where you are in your relationship. Number 3. He opens up to you. When a man is emotionally attracted to you, he will make you feel safe and comfortable. It is not always easy to be open and trusting in others. But when you feel comfortable with them and you are emotionally involved with them, this is easy. If you see him tell you things he does not tell others about himself, or if he tries to tell you about his past and his life, it's a good sign that he is not just emotionally attracted to you. He has also invested emotionally in you. Even if you make him more vulnerable, he will hope that you will keep that side of him safe, and then you will be a little more open with him, deepening your relationship. Number 4. He continues to maintain relationships. An emotional attraction to you means that he will want to be with you when you are not together. This means that whenever he gets a chance, he will text and call you, and he will want to keep the conversation open. This shows that he is not only on the physical side, talking to you regularly. Keeping in touch and being available to you shows that he is investing his time for you and will not do it unless he is emotionally attached to you. He not only talks about what you want to talk about, he also asks questions about you and talks about what you want to talk about. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below, I subscribed, so we can welcome you. Number 5. He asks your advice. It is a common thing for men to see counseling or help as a weakness. However, when he is emotionally attracted to you, he will trust you and it will be easier to be at risk around you, which may cause him to seek your advice. This can be small, asking for advice on a color shirt to wear, or it could be something big going on in his life. Asking for advice shows that he trusts your judgment and that he values your ideas and morals. When advising him, be open and honest. But do not try to push your ideas down his throat, as this may cause him to back down a bit. Number 6. He is always there for you. A man who is emotionally attracted to you not only accepts who you are, but he loves you for who you are. He does not like to see you when you are low or at risk, and he will appreciate your different sides. No matter what the weather, he will always be by your side if you get sick or have a bad day. The emotional attraction he has for you means that he wants to support you and that he does not care too much about your shortcomings. When you do not feel happy and you are surprised that he is still by your side, you can count on him as a good sign that he is emotionally attracted to you and that he will be there for a long time. Number 7. He notices everything about you. A man who is only physically attracted to you does not choose small things and personal information. A man who is emotionally attracted to you will get little information about you and most people will miss it. It could be the little nonsense you have or the way you like to drink coffee in the morning. He pays attention to what you do, and this shows that he really cares about you and that you feel an emotional connection between the two of you. He may even see things you have never seen before. This shows that he really likes you and wants to know everything about you, not just physically. Getting small and big information is fun and very sweet for him. He may not know that he picks and learns everything about you. Number 8. He wants to commit to you. A man will not want to sacrifice himself for you if he is only physically attracted to you. His emotional attraction to you will make him want to dedicate himself to you in the long run. It is normal for some people to have commitment problems in a relationship, and he may be nervous about commitment. But his emotional attraction to you means that he wants to overcome this fear if he can be with you. Forward. By wanting to be dedicated to you, he shows that he thinks you two are not only physically, but also emotionally fit for each other. Make sure you feel the same way before committing with him. Number 9. He's making you a bigger and bigger part of his life. He intensifies his efforts with you and allows you to influence him. This can seem like a lot of different things. He may introduce you to his friends and family. He increases the time he sees you every week. Maybe you used to hang out on the weekends, but now he's starting to see you during the week, and he's putting your two lives together depending on where you are in your relationship. When you see these signs that a man is emotionally attracted to you, he is showing you that he sees you as part of his future and as part of a larger vision of his life. Especially when he lets you influence him, it's a huge, big sign of emotional attraction. Number 10. He follows you on social media. When you like someone, you will follow them through social media. For an emotionally connected man, this is not the only reason he should check your social media accounts. This is a good indication that he wants to know more about you. You need to distinguish whether he is doing this because he is pursuing you seriously or simply. Another sign is that he always likes all your articles. This does not mean that he is being pursued. The desire to acknowledge when you post or share something on social media. This is not the only thing you will consider to determine if he is related to you. It changes a lot when he does this. It shows that he wants to know everything that happens to you. Number 11. He has great memory. What you say to a man who takes you seriously will always be remembered. Once he starts to get emotionally involved, he wants to know you more. Because of this, he wants to hear and remember everything you share. When he listens intently, it will be easier for him to remember what you are sharing. If he remembers even the simplest of things you spend time together, it is one sign of a man's emotional attraction. Number 12. He loves holding your hands when you're out on a walk. A man who is emotionally attached to you is proud to show you to the world. He wonders how lucky you are to have you. When he is deeply connected with you emotionally, he sees your worth and how important it is to him. And he wants the whole world to know that you are his. Not only does he proudly hold your hand in public whenever possible, not always necessary, but you can hear the pride in his voice as he tells his friends and family about you. Number 13. He is not hesitant to be vulnerable with you. When you consider how much emotional connection he has with you, a man who is emotionally attached will easily open up to you and show you his weaknesses. And no, this is not something that men do with any woman. They will not do it with a woman who just wants to have sex and have fun and has no emotional connection. Showing insecurity and weakness is not a good thing for men, because society teaches them never to show weakness. But with a woman who shares a strong emotional bond with him, he is not afraid to be wary of the wind and be himself. Maybe he's not afraid to show her how vulnerable he is because he feels safe around her. Number 14. He actively listens when you guys talk and is not distracted. Not only does he spend quality time with you, but when he is there, he is totally with you. His mind does not wander. He does not play with his phone or distract himself in any other way. He is completely immersed in you because he is totally attached to you. He listens to everything you say and is fully involved in the conversation because he listens and really listens to everything you say.